Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 and to presentation about what happened between Palestine and Israel. But before that, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Nadira Madiana Suha.
My name is Eka Febriana.
My name is Rajek Anugraha.
My name is Hilman Ahmad Ramadan.
And we will discussion about Israel and Palestine problem. As we know, the war between Palestine and Israel took place 100 years ago on November 2, 1917. At the time, the British Foreign Minister Arthur Balfour wrote a letter addressed to Lionel Walter Rothschild, a figure in the British Jewish community. The letter was short, only 67 words, but its contents had an impact on Palestine that is still felt today. The letter committed the British government to establish a national home for Jewish people in Palestine and facilitate the achievement of this objective. This letter is known as the Balfour Declaration. It can be underlined that the Europower promised the Zionist movement stayed in a region where 90% of the population native Palestinians Arab. During this period, the British facilitated the mass migration of Jews, where there was a very large wave of arrival after the Nazi movement in Europe. In this wave of migration, they encountered resistance from Palestine. Palestinians are concerned about the changing demography
Concerned.
country and complication of their land by Britain to hand it over to Jewish settlers. And from here we know that they want territory for Jewish citizens and borders and independence.
Request for territory or colonization. Israel became independent in 1948 and got what they demand in the letter they sent at that time, but that did not stop their attack on Palestine. What is the real reason why attack on Palestine are still occurring after Israel has achieved its goal? Even though we know that this war has been written about in the Holy Book, the attack carried out by Israel harmed many things, and now we know that what Israel did was not to ask for right for the Jewish people, but rather a massacre. The independence and territory demand by Israel is not the goal they aim for, but the seizure of territory. This is genocide, grave violation committed by Israel against Palestinians in the aftermath of 7 October, particularly in Gaza, point to genocide in the making, UN experts say today. They illustrated evidence of increasing genocidal excitement, offer intent to destroy the Palestinian people under occupation, Lord call for a second Nakba in Gaza and the rest of the occupied Palestinian territory. In the use of oral weaponry with iterally indiscriminate impact resulting in a colossal death toll and destruction of life-sustaining infrastructure. Many of us already raised the alarm about the risk of genocide in Gaza. The experts said, we are deeply disturbed by the failure of government to heed our call and to achieve immediate ceasefire. We are also profoundly concerned about the support of Satan government for Israel's strategy of warfare against the besieged population of Gaza and the failure of international system to mobilize to prevent genocide. Radit will continue.
The bombardment and siege of Gaza have reportedly killed over 11,000 people, injured more than 27, and displaced 1.6 million persons since 7 October 2023, while thousands are still under the rubble of those killed. About 41% are children and 25% are women. On average, one child is killed and two are injured every 10 minutes during the war, turning Gaza into a graveyard for children according to the Secretary General. Almost 200 medic and 102 UN staff, 41 journalists, frontline and human rights defenders have also been killed, while dozens of females over 5 generations have been wiped out. This occurred amid Israel signating of its 60-year unlawful blockade of Gaza, which has prevented people from escaping and left them without food, water, medicine, and food for weeks now. Despite international appeals to provide access for critical humanitarian aid, as we previously cited, intentional starvation amount to war crime, the expert said. He noted that half of the civilian infrastructure in Gaza has been destroyed, including more than 40,000 housing units, 100 units, as well as hospitals, schools, mosques, bakeries, water pipes, sewage, and electrical networking. In a May that threatens to make the continuation of Palestine life in Gaza impossible. The rally in Gaza, with its unbearable pain and trauma on the survivors, is a catastrophe of enormous proportions, the expert said.
The expert also raised the alarm about the escalation of violence against Palestinians in the occupied West Bank by soldiers and the armed settled. Since 7 October 2023, at least 1,500 Palestinians have been killed, more than 2,700 injured, and over 1,100 individuals displaced in the occupied West Bank. On 9 November, Israel force also bombed for the second time the Jenin refugee camp with heavy artillery and airstrike, killing at least 40 Palestinians. The increasingly corrosive environment has also led to possible heavy artillery displacement of several communities of pastoralists and Bedouin people in the Jordan Valley and the south of the Hebron Hills. We are deeply distressed at the failure of Israel to agree to and the unwillingness of the international community to press more decisively for an immediate ceasefire. The failure to urgently implement a ceasefire risks this situation spring toward a genocide conducted with 21st century means and method of warfare the expert were not. They also expressed alarm over this cribly genocide and dehumanizing rhetoric coming from senior Israel government officials, as well as some professional group and public figure calling for the total destruction and erasure of Gaza. The need to finish them all and for Palestinians for from the West Bank and East Jerusalem in Jordan. The expert warned that Israel has demonstrated it has the military capacity to implement such criminal intention. In the short term, the expert reiterated their call to Israel and Hamas to implement an immediate ceasefire and one allow but delivery of the desperately needed humanitarian aid to people in Gaza. To ensure the unconditional, safe and secure release of the hostage by Hamas. 3. Ensure that Palestinians arbitrarily detained by Israel and released immediately. 4. Open humanitarian corridors towards the West Bank, East Jerusalem, and Israel, especially for those that have been most affected by this war, the sick person with disabilities, older person, pregnant women, and children. They also recommended 1. The deployment of an international protective person in the occupied Palestinian territory under the supervision of the UN. 2. Collaboration of all parties with the Commission of Inquiry of the occupied Palestinian territory, including East Jerusalem and Israel, and the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court on the investigation opened in March 2021, as well as crime arrested for the recent event, underlying that the crimes committed today are partly due to a lack of the deterrence and continued impunity. 3. Implement an armed embargo on all warring parties. 4. Address the underlying causes of the conflict by ending the Israel occupation of the Palestinian territory. Thank you.
So, do you have any question for this presentation?
Oke. Ingin bertanya, saya mau bertanya. Permission to ask question. Why is the Palestina-Israel conflict never resolved?
Oke, apa sudah mulai sesi tanya jawab ya?
Sudah. Sorry, can you
Repeat.
your
Repeat.
question?
Okay. Why is the Palestina-Israel conflict never resolved?
Never. Because both of them refuse to give in and give up their territory. Ngerti nggak, Yan? Gue translate nih.
Ngerti dong. Easy
Apa
banget.
Yan artinya, Yan?
Masalah wilayah.
My name is David Ripaldi. Permission to ask. What is the response regarding the Palestina and Israeli conflict? And do you think there is a solution to resolve the conflict?
Nanya alasan, David, atau our opinion?
Tanggapan mengenai konflik sama ada solusi nggak sih menurut kalian dari konflik tersebut?
Ya, one of them should give up. Salah satu dari mereka harus nyerahin.
There's nothing solution for this problem.